Welcome to English for Speaking Practice.
Jacob, I feel sad today.
Why, Emma? What happened?
My pronunciation is bad.
Who told you that?
I heard myself. I sound wrong.
You don't sound wrong. You sound like a learner.
But I want to sound clear.
You will, step by step.
I feel nervous when I speak.
Nervousness is normal.
I try hard, but words come out strange.
That is not failure. That is practice.
People ask me to repeat.
That means they want to understand you.
I feel embarrassed.
Don't be. Everyone repeats.
Do you think I can improve?
I know you can.
Really?
Absolutely.
How should I start?
Let's start with slow speaking.
Slow speaking?
Yes, speak slowly and clearly.
I always rush.
Rushing makes pronunciation difficult.
So slow is good?
Slow is perfect.
Okay, I will try.
Great. Say a sentence slowly.
I want to speak better English.
That was good.
Did I say it correctly?
Very clearly.
I feel a little confident now.
That's the magic of slow speaking.
But some words are very hard.
Which ones?
30, world, thought.
Ah, common difficult words.
I always say them wrong.
Let's practice one by one.
Okay,
Say 30.
30.
Almost. Put your tongue lightly between your teeth.
Like this?
Yes. Now say it.
30.
Perfect.
Really?
Really.
Wow, it worked.
See? Techniques help.
Can we try world?
Sure.
World.
Good. Round your lips a little more.
World.
Excellent.
I did it.
Yes, you did.
What about thought?
Take a breath, then say it softly.
Thought.
Beautiful pronunciation.
I feel proud.
And I'm proud of you.
But why does English sound so different?
Because every language has its own music.
Music?
Yes, English has a rhythm.
I'd never thought like that.
When you follow the rhythm, speaking becomes easier.
How do I follow it?
Listen to native speakers.
I listen, but I still don't sound like them.
You don't need to.
I don't?
No, you need to sound like your best English self.
That sounds nice.
Because perfection is not the goal.
Then what is?
Clarity, confidence, communication.
I can do that.
Yes, you can.
Sometimes people laugh at my accent.
They laugh because they don't understand your journey.
That hurts.
Their opinion does not define your ability.
I want to speak without fear.
And you will.
When?
When you practice daily without judging yourself.
I judge myself a lot.
Stop being your own enemy.
I should be kind to myself?
Exactly. Be your own supporter.
I'll try.
Let's continue practicing.
Okay.
Say, my pronunciation is improving every day.
My pronunciation is improving every day.
Very clear.
I'm happy to hear that.
You're doing amazing.
Thank you, Jacob.
Always here to help.
Can we practice sentences with the TH sound?
Yes, let's do it.
This, that, those, these.
Perfect flow.
Think, thank, theme.
Good control.
I'm getting better.
You are.
Can we practice R sound?
Sure. Say red.
Red.
Clear.
Right.
Good.
Room.
Smooth pronunciation.
This is fun now.
Learning becomes fun when you stop fearing mistakes.
Yes, I feel lighter.
That's growth, Emma.
Jacob,
Hmm?
Thank you for believing in me.
I believe in your effort and your heart.
I will practice every day.
And I'll guide you every day.
My pronunciation will improve.
It already has.
Really?
Listen to yourself.
You're right.
You just needed support.
And I got it from you.
Always. Let's keep going tomorrow, too.
Yes, tomorrow we continue.
Good job today.
Thank you. I feel stronger now. Jacob, can I tell you something?
Of course, Emma. What's on your mind?
I forget words when I speak English.
That happens to many learners.
It makes me feel stupid.
You're not stupid at all.
My mind becomes blank.
That is because you get nervous.
Yes, very nervous.
Nervousness blocks memory.
I try to speak, but the word disappears.
It's okay. It happens to me in other languages too.
Really?
Yes, everyone forgets words sometimes.
But it happens to me every day.
That means you care too much about speaking perfectly.
I do. I want to speak well.
And you will,
How will I stop forgetting words?
by staying calm.
Calm.
Yes, calm mind remembers more.
But I panic.
Let's practice removing the panic.
How?
First, breathe slowly.
Like this?
Yes, slowly in, slowly out.
Okay, I feel a little relaxed.
Good. Now say a sentence.
I like learning English
Perfect. No forgotten words.
because it was easy.
Let's try something a little longer.
I'm scared.
I'm right here.
Okay, I forget words when I speak because I think too much.
That was great.
I didn't forget anything.
See? Calm speaking works.
But what if I forget in real situations?
Then use a trick.
What trick?
Replace the missing word with a simple word.
Simple word?
Yes. For example, if you forget restaurant, say food place.
Oh,
If you forget appointment, say meeting time.
that's smart.
Communication first, perfect word later.
I like that idea.
Another trick. Describe the word.
Describe.
Yes, if you forget umbrella, say the thing for rain.
That works too.
People will understand.
But I feel embarrassed.
Embarrassment stops growth.
You're right.
Mistakes help you learn.
Sometimes I forget even very easy words.
That means your brain is switching languages.
Switching?
Yes, your brain is moving from your first language to English.
Is that a problem?
No, it's progress.
Progress.
Yes, your brain is working hard to adjust.
I never thought like that.
Be proud. You are learning something big.
Thank you for saying that.
You deserve to hear it.
Can we practice forgetting and recovering?
Sure, let's simulate it.
Okay.
Tell me what you did this morning.
I woke up. I brushed my.
It's okay.
I forgot the word.
Describe it.
The thing for teeth.
Toothbrush.
Yes, toothbrush.
Good. Now continue.
I brushed my teeth. Then I made,
Describe again.
hot drink. Brown. Morning.
Coffee.
Yes, coffee.
Perfect recovery.
This is fun.
That's the secret. Make learning fun.
But sometimes I freeze.
Freezing means fear.
Yes, I fear people judging me.
People don't judge learners.
Some do.
then they are not worth your attention.
Maybe.
You're trying. That is beautiful.
I want to remember words faster.
Speak more.
Speak more?
The more you use words, the easier they stay in your mind.
Like exercise?
Exactly. Practice is brain exercise.
Can we practice daily?
Of course.
Right now, can we practice some words?
Let's do it.
Give me a word.
Morning.
Sentence. I walk every morning.
Good. Next word, dinner.
I cooked dinner yesterday.
Great. Next word, homework.
I finished my homework.
Excellent.
I didn't forget anything.
Because you are focused and calm.
I like this feeling.
Hold it in your heart.
Sometimes I forget words because they are long.
Then break them.
Break them.
Yes, like information.
How do I break it?
In, for, may, shun.
Oh,
Say it slowly once.
information.
Excellent.
What if a long word scares me?
Use a short word instead.
Like,
Instead of information, say details.
that feels easier.
That's the point.
Jacob,
Yes?
you make English feel simple.
English becomes simple when your mind becomes light.
I'm learning that slowly.
Slowly is okay.
Will I ever stop forgetting words?
Not completely.
Not completely?
Yes, even native speakers forget words.
Really?
Yes, they say, what's that word?
That's true.
So don't worry.
I feel better now.
Good. Your growth matters.
I will practice speaking every day.
And I'll guide you.
One day, I'll speak fluently.
That day is coming soon.
Thank you for supporting me.
Always. You are not alone.
I feel motivated now.
You should. You are strong.
Let's practice again tomorrow.
Yes. Tomorrow we continue.
Thank you, Jacob.
You did great today.
I'm proud of myself.
And I'm proud of you too.